Hi, and welcome to Performance G2's video training series. My name is Craig, and today I will be showing a demo on global filters. Reports in Cognos Viewer have the ability to pass parameter values to each other. Additionally, reports using a dimensional data source also have the ability to share drill behavior. We will be building 3 reports for this demo and showing them in a new tab in Cognos Connection. We will enable communication between these 3 portlets. The first report we need to build is simply a value prompt where we can capture the country we wish to filter our other reports by. So I'm going to create a new report. My data source is a cube, and I'm going to create a new blank report. From the toolbox, I'm going to drag a value prompt onto the page. I'm going to give it a parameter name of PAR_C for country. Next. I'm not actually building a filter on this report itself, so I'm going to uncheck the Create Parameterized Filter and click Next. I want to populate the value prompt with countries. So values to use, expand to my sales regions, and country level. Okay, and finish. I am now going to change this value prompt to auto submit. Now I'm going to save this as country prompt. The second report I want to build is a crosstab report. On our crosstab, I want to take the year level to the columns. I'll show the product line level on the rows by revenue. Now you may remember from my first video that the proper way to filter a report based on dimensional data is by creating a slicer. So I'm going to go to Query Explorer, Query 1. From my toolbox, I'm going to drag a slicer member set to the slicer pane. We want to slice this on countries. So my country level, it's going to be a dynamic filter, PAR_C, and OK. Now I'm going to return to page 1. I'm going to grab a layout calculation and drag this up into my header. I want to show my country in the header. And OK. I also want to turn on drill behavior. So from the data menu, drill behavior, allow drill up and drill down. OK. Save the report as country crosstab. The final report I want to build is going to be a chart, a simple column chart, and I want to show the exact same information that I showed in my crosstab. So the year level to the categories, product line level to the series, and revenue as our measure. I want to build the exact same slicer, so to Query Explorer, Query 1, from the toolbox, a slicer member set, and once again, sliced by my country level. PAR underscore C. Click OK. Back to page 1. A layout calculation to our header to show our parameter. Parameters tab. And OK. I also want to enable drill behavior on this report. So from the data menu, data, drill behavior, allow drill up and drill down. Save this report as country chart. Now back in Cognos Connection, I want to create a new page to show the 3 reports we just built. So new page, I would call it global filter. Next, it's going to be a 2-column page. My left-hand column is going to be 30% and my right-hand column 70%. I am going to add a portlet underneath the left-hand column, and this is going to be a Cognos viewer portlet, so I can show our filter. Okay. Now under the right-hand side, I want to click Add, and I want to add 2 Cognos viewers. So underneath Cognos Content, Cognos Viewer, Add, and Cognos Viewer, and Add. On these 2 viewers, we will show the crosstab and the chart. Okay, and I'll add this to our Portals tab and view the page. The final step is to show the 3 reports in the portlets and enable communication between them. So from the properties of the Cognos viewer on the left-hand side, I want to point this to our value prompt. Select an entry. I save this in my folders, and there is my country prompt. OK. Now additionally, I have to go into the report properties. I want to run this report, and I also want to communicate prompt values with other portlets. OK. And OK. So we have our value prompt show up. Now, the top Cognos viewer on the right-hand side, I'll hit the properties, select an entry, my folders, and here I'll show the country crosstab. OK. I also have to edit the report properties. I want to run the report, communicate with other portlets for prompt values. As well, I want to communicate drill down and drill up with other portlets, and click OK. And OK. The last Cognos viewer is going to point to our chart. So edit, select an entry, my folders, country chart, OK. Report properties, run the report, communicate both prompt values and drill up and drill down. Click OK, and click OK. Now I should be able to select any country, and that passes to my other Cognos viewers. I should also be able to drill down on either my chart or my crosstab, and this should pass the behavior from one to the other. And there you have it, global filtering and shared drill behavior. I hope you enjoyed this global filters video. If you wish to contact us about training, you can email us at sales@performanceg2.com or call us toll-free at 1-877-742-4276 or visit us on the web at performanceg2.com.